All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verbs. So cover, cover, cover. To make something go on top of something else. I am covering the boxes. Cover the boxes. Yeah. I cover my head while I am in the mountains. Yes. Cover my head while in the mountains. Indeed, cover. Very important. They need to cover those cars with sheets. Yes. He is covering his eyes. Covering his eyes, yeah. I don't need to cover my hair or my head when indoors. I don't need to cover my head when indoors or inside. Inside, yeah. I covered them all last night in paint. We covered it in paint so you can't see it. Covered it with paint so you can't see it. We covered it in paint so you can't see it. Very nice. She is covering her tracks with leaves and branches. The footprints, the ground. We are covering the ground. Well, they are covering the ground now with anything, plants and leaves. Yeah, how cool is that? How are you going to cover those footprints? How will you know that they need covering? How will you know they need covering? He always covers it with paint, ink, books, fabrics, anything, cloths, paper. He always covers it with paper somehow. Cover. How cool is that? So, can you use cover in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.